Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Once that is the case for you, simply hold power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have the flash along with a pop-up right here with edit, share, Google Lens and delete options visible for a brief moment, and as you can see, this does disappear after a couple seconds. Once it does so, you can find that screenshot in your Photos application. From here you want to select a library, and in here you'll find a library or album called Screenshots. And as you can see, it's right over here. And in this album, obviously you will find just screenshots that I have captured over the time of using this device. So I only have one, which is the one that I have literally just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.